You okay, man?
Woo! Go like this, bro. Go like this. Say thank you for being my friend. No, I'm just playing. That's from a movie. All right, good job. Ruby, come on up. All right. Get a picture. Woo! Make some noise, y'all.
We moved him forward into intermediates, where he trained with the crew for a while, and I threw him in the deep end. We mean serious business in OC, and there's not a single complaint that comes out of this dude. And this last week, to prepare for the routine, I was like, show up for the whole week, come through. And he made sacrifices from attending soccer practice to come train with us, and we recognize those sacrifices. That's what being a B-boy is about. There's a lot of time sacrifice to do what we do. So if I could have my man David come forward, please. Thank you. Round of applause, everybody. Go ahead, Flomo. I need my man Flomo. Yeah, this is yours, my man. Hey, yo, Brian, when am I gonna get one of these? Most handsome OC area coordinator?
Let's go. Bam. 1, 2, 3.